Hi everyone. Today, I'll show you how to easily create a carousel in Figma. Let's create a simple image carousel in Figma. Start by opening Figma and adding a frame. Set the width to 245, round the corners to 20, and add a drop shadow. Adjust the opacity, X and Y values, and add some blur. Duplicate the frame and set the new width to 100. Align both frames and turn them into an auto layout named Photos. Add a small rectangle for the progress bar, set its width to 50 and height to 12, and round the corners to 20. Change the color to a darker blue. Duplicate the bar, set its width to 20, and create an auto layout. Duplicate to have 3 progress bars, representing 3 photos. Select everything and frame it. Use the Unsplash plugin to add 3 photos. Duplicate the frame. Set the first photo width to 100 and the second to 245. Adjust the progress bars accordingly. Repeat for the third frame, adjusting widths and progress bars. Select everything and create a component set. In the prototype panel, link the progress bars and images. Set interactions to unclick, smart animate, gentle, 800 is. Link all photos and progress bars correctly. Make a frame to house your asset and move your component there. I hope you enjoyed these tips on how to create a carousel in Figma. This video is part of a playlist with more Figma tips. Check out the full web page design tutorial in the description below.